Hello, hello, beautiful people. Gonna go over our plan for Monday just so that you can have it on your minds or just so that you know how to plan ahead. So, Monday, April 27th, 2020. This will be all of this will be posted at 11 a.m. on Monday. And so, the first thing I'm going to want you to do is to mark yourself as present or here um, if you have access to this information. Most of you guys are doing pretty good with that. If you haven't, or if you normally get an email from me every Monday saying, hey, don't forget to do attendance, let's not do that. And instead, let's go ahead and mark ourselves as present. Let's let that be the first thing. Sometimes you'll do the assignment, but you'll forget to mark yourself as present. So hook that up, please. And then our assignment for the day is going to be all about the quadratics, and then you're going to take notes. So the first thing I want you to do at 12 o'clock, start it. If you are a work ahead person, you can go ahead and get started this weekend because I know how much you love math. But first thing I want you to do is to graph. And so that's the 9.2 assignments. That's 16 through 19 all, and then 23, 25, and 27. That 16 through 19, that's multiple choice. And so I want you to kind of think about what the vertex is and what the axis of symmetry is in order to help you. Please do not attempt to do these problems until you have watched the 9.2 video notes from this week. Otherwise, it's going to be really, really difficult. So I want you to do all that by hand. Do your graphs on graph paper if you have it. And then after you turn that in by 1 o'clock, so I'm giving you an hour to do six problems. Sorry about that. Sorry, I'm fine. I just swallowed something, by the way. So after you have done that, though, I would love for you to begin working on the 10.2 video notes. So that's linked on here. It's a shift. It's all about radicals and whatnot. This is one of the things that we wanted to make sure that we hit this year because you're going to be seeing a lot of it next year when you guys take geometry. And then the printable notes are there if you want to do that instead. But if you are struggling with those 6 problems that are assigned and that are due at 1 o'clock on Monday, if you're struggling at all, I would love for you to come into the Zoom room at 12:30 and then just get help. Don't wait until after. Join me. It's 30 minutes of your time. If you need help, please do that. Please also don't wait until like that night because it's due at 1 o'clock. So when's it due? 1 o'clock. Please, please, please do it by 1 o'clock on Monday, unless you need help. If for some reason you can't do it, I need to know. I really, really, really get worried about you guys when you don't do your work and if I don't hear from you. So, holla at your girl. Miss you much. I hope that you have a great, great weekend. And thank you for your Netflix recommendations. I started a couple of them that you guys mentioned before on my block and something else. Anywho, love you much. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.